we will see the topic binary search tree. Binary search tree is the tree in which root node is present and the tree is built in such a way that the left node of the tree is smaller than the parent node and the right node is greater than the parent node. So the main things of binary search tree are left subtree contains less node than the parent node. As I said, the smaller node is at the left side of the tree and right subtree contains greater element. Right element is always greater than the parent node. This is nothing but the construction of binary search tree. So the example will be what is binary search tree and construct the binary search tree for the given elements. Now suppose we are having elements as 10, 5, 1, 7, 40 and 50. Now if we want to create the binary tree, we have to start from the first. Keep in mind, whenever we are constructing the binary tree, at that time the first node is by default the root node. So as 10 is the first node, you will write 10 as the root node. Now moving to the next node, 5. Now 5 is less than and small than 10. That's why 5 is kept at the left hand side of the root node. Next node is 1. Now 1 is again less than 5 and 10. So 1 is kept at the left hand side of 5. Now next element is 7. 7 is smaller than 10. So it will be at left side only. But 7 is greater than 5. So we can keep 7 over here as the right child node of 5. Next is 40. 40 is greater than 10. So we will keep 40 at the right hand side of the root node. And the last node is 50. 50 is greater than 10 and 40 also. So it will be at the right hand side. So this is our binary search tree where each and every node is adjusted in such a way that left hand side node is smaller and greater hand side node is greater. So this was the first example. We will see one more example. This is binary search tree of this particular given example. Now we will see the binary search tree construction for the larger example, that is 13, 3, 4, 12, 14, 10, 5, 1, 8, 2, 7, 9, 11, 6, 18. As I said, the first node is the root node. So we will start constructing the tree by the root node 13. Now the next element is 3. 3 is less than 13. So it will be at the left hand side of 13. Next is 4. 4 is less than 13 but greater than 3. So it will be at the right hand side of this particular node. Now next is 12. 12 is less than 13 and greater than 4. So you will keep 12 over here at the right hand side of 4. Next is 14. 14 is greater than 13. So you will keep 14 at the right hand side of this particular tree. Next is 10. So 10 is smaller than 13. So 10 will be at the left hand side tree and 10 is less than 12. So it is kept at the left hand side of 12. Next is 5. 5 is again less than 13. So we will keep 5 at the left hand side of 10. Next is 1. 1 is also smaller than 13 but 1 is also smaller than 3. So you will keep 1 at the left hand side of 3. Next is 8. 8 is smaller than 13. So it will be again at the left hand side but 8 is greater than 5. So you will keep 8 at the right hand side. Next is 2. 2 will be again at the left hand side and 2 is smaller. So 2 is smaller than 8 and 2 is greater than 1. So we can keep 2 at the right hand side of 1. Next is 7. 7 is also at the left hand side because it is less than 13. So 7 will be kept at this particular location because it is less than 8. Next is 9. 9 is greater than 8, so you will keep 9 over here because it is greater than 8. Next is 11. Now 11 is greater than 10 and less than 13. So we will keep 11 at this particular location because it is greater than 10. Our next element is 6. 6 is less than 7. So we can keep 6 over here. And the last element is 18, which is greater than 13. So you will keep the last element at the right hand side. And 18 is greater than 14. So you will keep 18 at the right hand side of the tree. This is our binary search tree for this particular example, where the first node is your root node and the rest nodes are constructed by doing the comparison in such a way that left hand side trees elements, all elements are less than the root node, and right hand trees all elements are greater than the root node. Thank you.